Ford has just donated a vehicle to this program, which we're so grateful for. So thank you to Ace Ford, and thank you for providing that vehicle for us and for you and your classmates, more importantly. And as wonderful as that is, I think it's even more important to have this connection, this partnership, the business partnership. And that's what vocational technical schools are built on. Partnerships with the school, with business. And you've been a wonderful partner, and we're grateful to have you. And again, I can't be more appreciative on behalf of the school board, our student body, and especially everybody here in automotive technology for your donation and again, your support. So thank you so much, Chris.
Ace Ford really wanted to do this presentation, be a part of the donation of the Explorer. We're granted that opportunity through Ford, so it allowed us to continue and grow our partnership with GCIT.
GCIT students will benefit from this car because it'll take them into the 21st century. Most of our cars that we have are from 2005, 2006, so this will show them the newest, latest, and greatest technology, help them further their careers with the new technology.
So as a Ford Motor Company employee and a Gloucester County resident, we felt it was important to bring new technology to the school so the students can learn the technology and then further their opportunities within the automotive industry.